how to top up Envirogreen Firebird oil boilers. So you'll have 8 valves, one here, one at the bottom, right there. Open up either one first. They're going to come out a fairly long way out. And then throttle with this one. You'll watch the pressure going up. You're going to keep coming out a long way and you'll hear it. There we go. You'll see it going up. Once you get to about 1.5. A bit more. That there. Turn it off. And then make sure you turn the bottom one off as well. And there we go. Jobs are good.